Everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very exciting video for you all. I am going to be doing a room tour. I love watching these videos, and so I thought that I might just show you guys my room. I like to believe that my room is very autumnal and nice, so yeah. Without further ado guys, let's just get started. Okay guys, so when you first walk into my room, there's just this little hook where I have my dressing gown, my blazer, my tie and my laundry hamper. So yeah. And then over here I just have my bookshelf where on the top I just have my cards that I got for my 13th birthday, which was a few days ago. If you haven't seen my 13th birthday shopping spree haul, make sure to go check that out. It honestly is pretty good. I did get a lot of stuff, so yeah. Then I just have this little gift bag that my dad got me for my birthday. Then I just have this little like LED lights in a bottle thing that I got from a market, and then I have this sparkly bag that my friend got me last year for my 12th birthday. Then down here I just have my books and this camera that doesn't actually work. Then I have this Christmas tree that I actually really want to put up, but it's not Christmas yet. I just have some CDs and a charger and stuff. Then down here is where I keep my hat and my gloves and stuff. And then down here on the bottom I just keep my shoes, my sliders and my slippers and everything like that. Okay guys, so then over here in between my bed and my bookshelf, I just have this ukulele that my dad got me like a few years ago for my birthday, but I haven't actually learnt to play it, and I probably will never, but thanks Dad anyway. Then over here I just have my bed. I love my bed. My bed is honestly like my favourite part of my room, not lying. And yes, I'm not too old for teddies, but yeah. And wow, how clean am I? Literally dumped my pyjamas right on my bed. Then over here guys, I just have my little shelf thing that runs all the way along my room. But yeah, then I just have my LED lights along here that I actually got these from Lidl. They are so cute. And then I just have my sleep mask that says leave me alone. Honestly, don't even like sleep masks. I get so creeped out being in pitch black. But then over here I just have my little torch. I have my earphones. I have my desk lamp thing. Then I have the speaker that doesn't work and a bunch of other bits and bobs that honestly are really messy and look horrible in my room, but kind of got to have them, so yeah. Then over here I just have my radio and my stereo looking very nice. So yeah, just like listening to some Radio 1 when I'm cleaning my room. That's literally what I do, so yeah. Then moving on down, I just have my little makeup vanity clothes thing, don't know what you want to call it, and my mirror, which, hello guys, you can see me in it. Actually you can't because of the light, but yeah. Anyway, over here I just have my hairbrushes, some hair clips, some makeup brushes, some lipsticks, some deodorants, a mirror, some hair stuff and everything. And then I just wanted to show you this drawer. This is just where I keep my like skin products. I just have some wipes over here. I have some like hairbands, a face mask, some Lush products as you can see, and some other skincare stuff that I kind of wanted to show you guys, so yeah. Okay, moving on, I have another vanity thing slash chest of drawers, because I don't have enough room to keep all of my products and also keep all of my clothes, so yeah. Then I just have these LED lights because I'm not supposed to have actual like candles, so yeah, I have some LED candles, so yeah. Then I just have some hair clips, some jewellery, some earrings, some like nail varnish and like fragrances and other stuff like that, so yeah. And also guys, this is where I keep my makeup. Yes, I know, it looks like an absolute tip, but I don't really have the time at the moment to, or I can't really be bothered, I should just say, because yeah, I can't be bothered to like clean it out and like organise everything, so that's why it looks absolutely horrible, but oh well, we can deal with it. Then moving on to the shelf above like my little vanity things, I have this empty Lush bag, which if you have watched my 13th birthday shopping haul, you will know I went to Lush and I've taken everything out of that, but yeah. Then I just have this little Minnie Mouse ear thing that my sister, these are actually my sister's, but I stole them from her. Don't tell her, no, she already knows. And then over here I just have my makeup box thing that I don't actually use. Then I just have some empty makeup bags and just like a little soap gift set thing. And then down here I just have my chair, which I use for recording YouTube videos and just for decoration really. So yeah, and then I have a really soft fluffy jumper from Primark on top as well. Then down here I have my little yoga mat slash like exercise mat. I honestly don't exercise. I tried to for like a few days, but I honestly couldn't, so yeah. Then I just have some empty boxes down here, and then up here I just have my scarf, and I just have some like bags and like jumpers and stuff, so yeah. Okay guys, so I really hope you've enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, stay tuned for my other videos because I will be making a lot of videos this half term, so yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video guys. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, bye.